Hello everyone, welcome to our video class. And today we will study about comparing masses. Now let's compare the two objects. We have the sack of sugar and we have a box of milk. The mass of the sack of sugar has 8 kilograms and 5 kg, while the mass of the box of milk has 12 kg. Now, to compare the two objects, let's convert first the mass of the sack of sugar into kg. The mass of the sack of sugar is 8 kilograms and 5 kg. Now, let's convert 8 kilograms into kg. As we know, 1 kilogram is 10 kg. So we have 8 times 10, so we have 80 kg plus 5 kg. And the answer is 85 kg. Next, the mass of the box of milk is 12 kg. So we use minus for our math operation to compare the two objects. We have 85 kg minus 12 kg equals 73 kg. So the sack of sugar is 73 kg heavier than the box of milk because the mass of the sack of sugar is bigger than the mass of the box of milk, while the box of milk is 73 kg lighter than the sack of rice because the mass of the box of milk is smaller than the mass of the sack of sugar. Now let's compare the mass of the book and the mass of the toy car. The book has 1 kilogram, 4 kg, and the toy car has 5 kg. Now to compare the two objects, let's convert the mass of the book into kg. The mass of the book is 1 kilogram and 4 kg. As we all know, 1 kilogram is 10 kg. So 10 kg plus 4 kg equals 14 kg. The mass of the toy car is 5 kg. So we use minus for our math operation to compare the two objects. 14 kg minus 5 kg equals 9 kg. So the book is 9 kg heavier than the toy car because the mass of the book is bigger than the mass of the toy car. And the toy car is 9 kg lighter than the book because the mass of the toy car is smaller than the mass of the book. Okay, good. Next, we have a basketball and we have a carrot. Now let's compare the masses of these two objects. The basketball has 7 kg and the carrot has 3 kg. So we use minus for our math operation to compare the two objects. The mass of the basketball is 7 kg and the mass of the carrots is 3 kg. 7 kg minus 3 kg equals, what is your answer? The answer is 4 kg. Very good. The basketball is 4 kg blank than the carrots. Is it heavier or is it lighter? What is your answer? And the answer is the basketball is 4 kg heavier than the carrots because the mass of the basketball is bigger than the mass of the carrots. Next, the carrots is 4 kg blank than the basketball. Is it heavier or is it lighter? Now, what is your answer? The answer is the carrots is 4 kg lighter than the basketball because the mass of the carrot is smaller than the basketball. Okay, now next, let's arrange them from the heaviest to the lightest. Heaviest, which means the biggest mass, and the lightest, which means the smallest mass. Now let's look at the picture and see their masses. Jenny has 160 hectograms. Baby has 6 kilograms and 8 hectograms. Stephen has 195 kg. Okay, Jenny has 160 hectograms. Baby's mass has 6 kilograms and 8 hectograms. So let's convert 6 kilograms into hectograms. 6 kilograms times 10 hectograms equals 60 hectograms plus 8 hectograms, and the baby's mass is 68 hectograms. Steven's mass has 195 kg. As we learned in our previous lesson that kg and hectograms are the same. So Steven's mass is 195 hectograms. So the baby is the lightest because the mass of the baby is the smallest. Baby has 68 hectograms. Stephen is the heaviest. Stephen is the heaviest because Stephen has the biggest mass. Stephen's mass has 195 hectograms. Now let's arrange them from the heaviest to the lightest. Start with the heaviest down to the lightest. So the heaviest mass belongs to Stephen. Next is Jenny, and the lightest is the baby. Good job, very good. Okay, now arrange them from the heaviest to the lightest. We have here 3 objects. We have potatoes, we have notebook, and we have shoes. Now potatoes has 25 kg. Now notebook's mass has 1 kilogram and 2 hectograms. Now let's convert 1 kilogram into kg. 1 kilogram, that is equivalent to 10 kg plus 2 hectograms, that is 2 kg. 10 plus 2 equals 12 kg. So the mass of the notebook is 12 kg. Shoes has 52 kg. Which is the lightest? Potatoes, notebook, or shoes? And the answer is the notebook is the lightest. Very good. Next, which object is the heaviest? Is it the potatoes? Is it notebook? Or is it shoes? And the correct answer is the shoes is the heaviest because the shoes has the biggest mass. Now let's arrange them from the heaviest to the lightest. The heaviest mass belongs to the shoes. Next is the potatoes. And the lightest is the notebook. Very good. And that's all for today. See you again next time for our video class. Bye-bye. To compare the two objects, let's convert the mass of the book into kid. The mass of the book is 1 kilogram and 4 kid. 1 kilogram The mass of the book is 1 kilogram and 4 kid. Let's convert 1 kilogram into kid. As we learned in our previous lesson that 1 kilogram equals to 10 kid. So 10 kid plus 4 kid equals 14 kid. So the mass of the book is 14 kid. The mass of the toy car is 5 kid. So we use minus for our math operation to compare the two objects. 14 kid minus 5 equals 9 kid. 14 kid minus 5 kid equals 9 kid. The book is the book is 9 kid heavier than the toy car because the book is 9 kid heavier than the toy car because the mass of the book is bigger than the toy car. Toy car is 9 kid lighter than the book because the mass of the toy car is smaller than the book.